Was this Rontaly? Take a wheel nut off that car. Today we've got a different video. I'm going to talk about the murky world of TikTok shop. I'm going to show you this lovely item that I procured off TikTok quite recently. I'm going to unbox it here. There it is there. It's called a Rontaly. You might recognise the colour scheme, black and yellow. You might not recognise this peel off label which says Rontaly on it. It's not a household name to say the least, but it does fit these batteries. Oh, that doesn't sound that good. Anyway, these familiar looking batteries. It's not all they sent. They sent other items too. They sent instructions with different colours. I suppose they do these for all brands. And they have a bag of stuff. We get this bag unpacked. Established that the instruction manual is about as much use as a handbrake in a canoe, so yeah, we'll throw that over there. Other things we received in the box was a range of impact sockets. Sort of common sort of sizes, 13, 17, I think that's 19 and probably 21. 24, that's okay. And there's this thing, which it's like a 1/2 inch drive to do a quick release, a quick change chuck thing. A range of butts, which are also quick change, and a range of screw tips, which are quick change. And this curious device, which it looks like something would be recovered from P. Diddy's house, if I'm honest, but maybe that's just my mind. Let's get an analytic for screwing around corners, which probably happened at that same premise as I mentioned before. Back to the tool itself. There's actually a quick release in there too. Wouldn't be easy getting them out again, but anyway. And there's the 1/2 inch drive, of course. And there's a brushless motor according to this, which you say is probably true enough. And 350 newton meters, which is I don't believe them. Said it feels cheaply put together, to be quite honest. I'm going to put the battery in earlier to be not just bouncing out of my hand, you know. It doesn't seem powerful. I'll be honest, I got this for £19.90, but I had to pay a bit of shipping on TikTok. What could you really expect for that? Some of this might be worth it. I suppose the sockets, have you even valued them at £2 each, so that's a tenner there, like. And I do find this fascinating. Turns your impact wrench into a screwdriver, so it's pretty good that way, you know. So here we are. Question is this any good? I've put a FlexFold battery on it, 6 amp FlexFold battery on it to give it a chance. Still doesn't sound powerful, but we'll give it a go. Was this Rontaly? Take a wheel nut off that car. Not a chance. In conclusion, if you're buying this off TikTok shop and expect to get an impact wrench for £19.90, you're absolutely dreaming. What you really are getting is an impact driver, and a very weak one at that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.